Hello everyone. Welcome to Endless Tech. At first, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and not miss the another updates from Endless Tech. Today I am back with my new video on how to recover deleted photo, video and files using any Android device. So for that, at first go to Play Store and download the application named Disk Digger Photo Recovery. Then after downloading, open the app. Now click on Start Basic Photo Scan. Now these all are my photos which I had deleted. Then if you click on Recover this file, then the deleted photo will be recovered and saved to gallery. In this way you can anytime recover your deleted photo, files and videos which was deleted before many months and years too. This much for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.